Hey everybody, Jim King out here in the Lee Summit. We've got our King Piers crew outside. What we have here is two walls that are leaning inward slightly. They've had previous foundation repair done before. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what all of our competition does. They put these beams, this is an I-beam. An I-beam is not as good as an H-beam, a little bit less expensive, but I don't have a problem with the I-beam, but it's bolting this angle iron up on the underside of the ceiling joist and it splits it. You're paying somebody to tear up your house. And so anyway, we've got a total of 10 King Pier IIs, 14 wall braces. We're going to take these out and do them the way they're supposed to be done. We will lock our braces in. Not ideal to put a brace right here against, put it right in the middle. There's no reason to put it right there. Put it right in the middle and lock it in with a 6x6 treated wood support beam bolted from the sides. Sister onto your 2x10 3 foot, and then come back at the end of that 3 foot, be back in here. Some of the drywall's got to come off of the ceiling, and lock that in with another 6x6. And when we saw cut the floor, we just don't jackhammer a hole. Now luckily, I don't see any cracks coming off of where they just jackhammered this half-ass looking square hole. But these walls underneath the footing, the floor is sitting on 1/3 of the footing. As you can see, there's a crack right here. The footing's failed right here, for sure. And this crack right here in the floor. If I was to set a laser level up, it would be lower on this side of the crack than the other side of the crack, which is footing failure. So stay tuned as we get going. We just showed up here at 7 o'clock. And crew's outside. We're going to start digging on the outside of this wall in the front of the house. We'll dig clear down to the footing. We can push the wall against air, but we can't push it against earth, so that's the first step we got to do. After that, we'll go to the back of the house and do the same thing. So stay tuned as we progress out here. King Piers, 816-288-4373. You can go to our Facebook page, check us out there, and YouTube. Get on there and give us a subscribe. Thank you.